All right, guys, here we go. Monday, March 6th. Going to break down natural gas. Currently looking at the daily chart of natural gas futures. We went in short Friday, to be honest with you. We knew this was a typical fake out of Wall Street, and you always have to think like a criminal and trade with an unfair advantage. Okay, if you're not doing those two things, you're going to get wiped out. But first of all, we came up into the 0.618 fib line, golden retracement. So that was the first hint. Second, they always surge it up. They always try to break it out at the very end of a run. Okay, not that we can't turn around, not that we can't get back up and out of here, but that's just a typical trick. So we went short natural gas futures with UNG. And let me show you the hourly chart here. And as you can see right in here, that was from Friday. 1, 2, 3. If you can count to three, you might be able to make a little money in this market. But anyway, and today it came down and missed getting out. That's no big deal. And 26 for today, not too bad. And let's take a look. Let me show you another situation here. Well, first of all, let's go back to natural gas. And now, let's figure out, I mean, anyone can get out, go short or whatever. That's the greatness of knowing how to play these charts, getting the skills, getting the techniques. And if you want to learn a little bit about that, shameless plug, we have our introduction to micro futures trading course below, 50% off. I mean, if I can do this, anybody in the world can. But anyway, we're still over the 20, which is positive. Now, if we start trading back up and over that blue dash line, see this resistance here? Came down, came back into it, into it, couldn't get over it. But if we start trading and closing up here over that blue dash line, and obviously, the 20 being under everything, they might, uh, be able to run this thing back up. So you have your 1, 2, and 3. But we need, confirmation for that. Right now, we're just trying to play, chess, a few steps ahead of them. But until it, does what our thesis is, we're not getting in. So that's the main thing. You need to name it and identify. You can't just get in on I think so. You can't get in on a maybe. You can't get in on a feeling. Okay. What if your heart surgeon went in and started operating on your heart with, a feeling? Well, I think it's, I feel it's this. I think it's that. I read this on Reddit or Twitter, so maybe this is what I need to chop on. So probably wouldn't work out too well. Okay, let's go to another stock, and I'll show you how this works in another direction. Okay, here we are at AMD. If you follow me on Twitter, you saw the whole breakdown today. Let's go to the 2-minute chart. First of all, if you saw that earlier, we went long here, this clearing candle over the 20, ran it up, and then we knew we were coming into a whole round even number. We around 83 bucks. See, they tried to bring it down a little bit, and look, what do you know? A big surge candle right there. Okay, they do it even on a 2-minute chart for AMD. Advanced Micro Devices doesn't have anything to do with natural gas or anything. What we show you, what we train you to do works on every time period, every asset that can be traded by humans on Earth. You can do this stuff, okay? And then right here was the slam down after they got everybody in, and the rest of the story. And a little 1900 hit pop here today, plus what we got on the run up. So anyway, uh, thanks for watching. Give us a follow on Twitter, Crypto Charts Joe, and check out our Patreon and our micro futures and start making some of that supplemental family income.